Short form content right now is the #1 type of content that is being consumed, and it is hands down the best way to reach a new audience and grow on social media platforms such as YouTube or Instagram, and of course, not to mention TikTok, the king of short form content. Only 1 month ago, I was at 500 subs here on YouTube, and in a month, I've doubled that. And I did that by focusing on short form content. I would post 2 or 3 shorts a day every single day. You might be thinking posting 2 or 3 times a day is a lot of work, but it really isn't. Let me show you how I do it. First, when I'm streaming, I make sure my replay buffer is on so that anytime something funny happens or something that I think might make a good clip, I just clip it. Then I'm gonna go through all the clips on my computer afterwards, and I'm gonna send the good ones to my phone. And from there, I run them through an app that I would not be able to live without as a content creator. It's called InShot, and it is by far the best free app that I've come across for making short form content. Now, the app does have a subscription feature, but honestly, the free version gives you everything that you need. The one thing that pushed me to subscribe, and I think it's like $18 or $19 a year, is that when you have the plus version, it gets rid of the little semi-transparent logo down at the bottom right of your video once you export it. All right, let me show you really quickly how I throw together a video with minimal effort using InShot. Okay, as you can see here, I got the App Store open. This is what it looks like. It's called InShot Video Editor. Go ahead and open that guy up. And this is what your intro menu looks like. Just go ahead and hit Video and New. Then you're gonna choose a video you want to import. I'll grab this guy here and hit the little green check mark. Then you're gonna see your video up in here. Make sure your canvas, that's your first option here on the bottom left, is 9.16. That can be either the YouTube Shorts or the TikTok one. And go ahead and hit the check mark. Now, you'll notice that like there's so much wasted space on this video right off the bat. And the videos that do the best on TikTok and YouTube and whatnot are videos where the whole screen is being used. So we're gonna move a few things around on this to make it a little more appealing, but it's super easy to do. So first thing you wanna do is click on the video that you've imported, scroll over to crop, and just go ahead and choose 9:16 and the check mark. Done. Now, when you zoom in, you're gonna possibly lose a little bit of resolution, and it might look a little pixelated or grainy. So we're gonna fix that by just selecting filter and adjust. And then we're gonna scroll all the way over and grab the triangle that is sharpen and throw that at about 50. Check mark. Done. Looks much better. Now, the only thing we're missing is, of course, our webcam. So make sure your cursor is all the way left so that the videos are gonna line up. And then you're gonna choose in the options menu here, PIP, which is picture in picture. Grab the exact same video you did. If it looks confusing, just look for the little check mark on the top left of the video image, the thumbnail. There you go. And make sure it's all lined up. Oh, there it is. Looks good. There's no doubling in the vocals. Musician coming out of me. There's no doubling in the audio. Now all we need to do is crop it to our liking. So select the picture in picture one there. It's you can see it highlighted. Scroll over to the crop, and then you can easily drag and crop your picture in picture to capture only what you want it to. There we go. I'm gonna make it a little bigger and throw it right at the top. I like to have a bit of a bigger webcam because my videos aren't really about gameplay. They're more about personality and comedy and whatnot. Anyway, preference is the answer. And then you can also, if you don't like it square, you can scroll over here to mask and you can make it round. You can make it perfectly square. You can make it a heart. Anyway, these are just some of the many options you have with this app. It's incredible what you can do. There's audio effects, denoise, speed, everything you need to make a good short video is right here in the app. Then just go ahead and hit the check mark, and then you can export it 1080p, 60 frames, done. And it's saving to your phone like that. Guys, do not sleep on short form content. I wish I had jumped on YouTube Shorts, for example, and my TikTok way sooner than I did. But I've seen growth in the last month that I haven't seen over the last year. So good luck, guys. If you guys like content like this, or any video game content for that matter, you found the right spot. Hit that sub button. I got so much good content coming your way. And again, don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you found this video helpful. And a thumbs up is always pretty cool too. Cheers.